Hello, my name is Ryan Brown. I am the owner of Impeccable Cleaning, LLC, based out of Louisiana. I wanted to come for 1 second to give a shout out to Richard and Penstar and his team and all they have continued to do for me. I applied for business credit as well as personal credit because I think Richard is very honest in what he states. I believe that what he says he will get done, and he will continue to help me and my business upscale as the years go by. So if anybody have any hesitation concerning Richard and his business, take it from me. I don't really play with a lot of people. I really don't trust a lot of people when it comes to business. I've had people steal money, but I believe that when I see Richard, I've talked to him, I feel a pureness and I feel an honesty. So if you have any doubts concerning Penstar and his team, don't doubt. They are very thorough. They make sure they call you, you know what I'm saying? If you forget things, they call you to remind you to get on, top of things. If you have any questions or comments, they're always there. They're one of the companies I've never, ever came in contact with that assist me as much as they do, which you rarely find with a lot of companies, especially when you have a lot of clients that you deal with. He answers his phone. He doesn't get aggravated with you. He's very patient. So shout out to Richard and Penstar. I appreciate y'all. Looking to do business with you all in the near future, and check him out. He's a good guy.